welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a fun video. Okay, so the story behind this is my sister edited me into a photo with Shawn Mendes, and we were like, oh my gosh, like that looks like totally not real at all. And then I have a friend that looks like Shawn Mendes, and we were like, wait, we could totally actually recreate this photo. So that's what we're doing today. I'm about to meet with him at our acting studio, the Studio Northwest, and then we're gonna head over to the photographer's place in Washington to do the shoot with her. So yeah, so let's see, this morning we had my hair in braids overnight, and then my sister did my makeup this morning based off the photo. And then I had like a really similar outfit to what Camila was wearing in the photo with Shawn Mendes.
I was just gonna pull up the picture.
Sup, hi. Hi, camera.
I'm camera.
Sup. I figured I said that.
Just forget down a little.
I'm sorry for like totally like pulling you down.
You're good.
Okay.
I totally went up low, man.
Mom, like she has bangs, so it's easy for me.
I know. I love it. It's great.
Bonding.
And get
with
it
your
white
shirt,
Oh, yeah.
shoes. Yes, our shoes. Yeah, it looks good.
Are the
Even if it's
best
like
thing
back
that's not in
here.
the photo. You know, we really just need Shawn and Camila to come and
I
tell us
know.
what it is.
Why not?
Where are
Let's just give Shawn a call.
they? Yeah, let's
real quick.
just call them up. Get over here. Okay,
cool.
sorry.
Actually, no.
Getting my hair teased. We just did the photos of Riley and I together, and now we're doing headshots.
That looks pretty close. That looks pretty dang close.
Riley, did you like get water on you?
Huh?
Water? Did you wet yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
A little bit.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's so good. You, yeah, you know what I meant.
Chin, head more straight. It's almost tilted in a little. So,
Like say, huh?
only, what do you think?
Don't make me laugh.
Oh, I mean,
Actually, laughing will give you
get
better abs.
Yep.
Well done! Woo! Thank you, Shannon. Okay, so yeah, you're on camera now. So now Riley and I are going to this party. Well, not party. What is it? You explain it.
Okay, it's like a networking, I think it's after a show, and
With like fashion people and
Yeah.
social media influencers and stuff.
I think we
So
enter here.
okay, cool. Let's go.
Most of us know, if not all of us know.
Hey guys, I'm gonna wash out all the stuff in my hair and all of the makeup. Okay, so tell me what you did. So this is the before and this is the after, right?
Right.
So what did you do?
So, we were trying to make the lighting look a little bit more like the inspiration
Yeah,
shoot.
since we
And
have it
so,
on the other side.
yeah, and so basically, I brought up the light on this side of the photo.
So it looks more even. Yeah, that looks great.
And brought it down on this side, especially in his hands.
Yes.
And-
Oh yeah, it's like really like highlighted right there, and then
Yeah, and obviously added the tattoo.
yeah.
And then also the original shot that we took is a lot bluer, and just moved this whole photo to be a little bit more in like yellowish, more like this shot. Yep.
And so what are you gonna do now? You're gonna edit out this,
oh, yeah.
right? The little like.
Yes, I forgot that was in there. So.
Gone. It disappeared.
Doo-doo. All right.
Awesome. Okay, hey guys, so Riley and I are back over here at my house, and we're gonna check out the completed photos. Are you excited?
Oh my gosh, yes.
He hasn't even seen all of them, so I'm excited. Okay, so here's the first one.
All right.
I think it's pretty good. Like, look
The
at...
tattoos, yeah.
Yeah, like, we did the tattoos, and, like, our arms look really... Like, my arm looks straight, and your arm looks good. And, like, our head placement is pretty good.
I think it's pretty spot on, honestly.
Yeah, like, I thought it'd be a lot easier, but it was pretty hard.
I thought it was gonna be like easy breezy, but
Yeah.
it's almost harder to recreate something
Than just to,
or
like, shoot.
just to shoot it.
Yeah.
Because when you're shooting, you just do what feels natural, but this you gotta like pose and it feels different. But it was really fun.
Yeah,
I had
it
a
was
really good
fun.
time.
I did too. Yeah, it was fun because I've never done anything like that. Like copying
Neither have I.
a photo. Yeah, so that was fun. Especially for like, I don't know how we all missed it, but we all missed that there was like, we had the opposite lighting. Like literally on the opposite side. All of us.
Oh my gosh,
Did
yeah.
you notice that? We all freaking missed that. It's on this side for them and it's on this side for us.
That's
So,
super cool though. Because
yeah.
we added our own touch to it.
Yeah,
That's-
exactly.
Yep,
Exactly.
Of course.
And so yeah, it looks pretty good for like having like the opposite lighting.
A great
I mean,
photo.
I can never look like Camila Cabello. She's gorgeous, but I think we did a pretty good job for like being different people. And like our outfits are pretty close to what they're wearing.
Oh yeah.
So
But I'm
yeah.
sure they're wearing like hundreds of dollars of clothing. So.
Yeah. Yeah, probably. Okay, so here's the next one of me.
Yeah.
This, oh my gosh, this position was so hard. It was
Yeah.
like painful. Like, I don't know. I think maybe she had just like in the moment gone like back and was like done. But like I had to like lean
You were
back.
sitting
like,
there for what, like 15 minutes?
yeah, and I was trying to get like, I was like, oh my god, my neck, like it's broken. Yeah, I thought it'd be so much easier, and it was really hard.
Yeah, no, I think that's for sure what happened because in this one, her hair is
Yeah.
like flicked back, so I think she just flipped her head back and.
Was like done.
But I think it's fantastic.
Yeah, I think it's not bad for like me being a blonde and her being a brunette. They
Oh.
look pretty similar.
Yeah.
Like honestly, this photo really came together with editing though. My mom did a really good job editing this photo so it would like look more similar with like the crop and everything. But yeah, not bad, not bad. Okay, so this is the next one. This was my favorite one. I think it looks a
Yeah.
lot like Camila's shot.
Yeah.
But like it's pretty good with like the hair like on the face and everything.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have nearly as much hair as she had. Oh, there it is
There
at
it
the
is.
bottom. I don't
That's
have
what it
nearly
is.
as much
Can I
hair.
move it
I
up?
had to.
Yeah,
my mom
you
had to
can.
add hair like into the photo of me because I didn't have enough hair for this shot. I don't know. I have a lot of hair, but like not for this shoot.
But
Something
it looks
like that.
like she's got like 2 sets of hair.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Hair. Yeah. You look really, what is it? It's like calming.
Yeah,
Like, very
just
like
very like
relaxed.
relaxed. Yeah.
I
like-
love that
Like
photo.
I'm gonna
though.
take a nap. But yeah. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh,
yeah.
This is. I thought this was really close. I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
Like you guys have like the outfits like spot on. Your pose is spot on.
Yeah, the only thing that I'm picky about is a little bit of the head placement. My head needed to be a
Oh, I
little
think
more.
yeah. He's
just
a
a
little more
tiny
tilted
bit
away
more.
from the camera, and you were tilted a little closer to the camera.
But it's so close.
Regardless, it's so
like-
close. Look how like exact your jeans even look too.
Yeah, that's
Like-
one of my favorite parts. Is I found those jeans for like $15. I'm like, these are
That's
like
so
the perfect
great.
jeans for it.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my gosh, this couldn't be more perfect. Although I do love the tattoos. The tattoo is
Yeah, that's
so cool.
Yeah.
It is so cool.
Yeah, shout out to my mom for editing all of the tattoos
Yes.
into all of the shots.
Yes. Now I know what what I'm gonna look like if I have tattoos. So.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was saying. I was like, you want tattoos, and now you get to see like what it would
Now
look
I get
like.
yeah no. Well, I'm probably not gonna get a bird on my hand, but
Did you know he has like an elephant on his finger?
yeah,
An
it's on
elephant.
his what is it? His middle finger.
Yeah, and we almost didn't notice, like in that first shot of you and I, we almost didn't notice that there was a tattoo on his finger, and we were like zoomed and we were like, wait, like what is that thing on
It
on
looks like a
Sean's
little
finger?
blob.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the next shot.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Whoa, like that's pretty close. I think your head placement is like a little different than his. Yeah, like
Yeah.
he's turned more that like away from the camera, and I think you're a little turned closer, maybe.
Yeah, I think
Or is he looking down further than you?
I think he's looking down further.
Yeah.
Than I am. It felt weird looking as far down as I did. Like I thought I was looking down way too far.
Yeah.
But I wasn't apparently. So I'm like, okay,
Isn't
whatever.
that funny though? Like
Yeah.
what they were like to see what they were going
But
through when they were doing the shoot.
Seeing it like this, I mean, it's pretty close.
It's pretty close.
A little bit of the chain, you can see it here.
Yeah.
The chain, it's like, and
Yeah.
you had the bracelet that looked
Yeah.
spot on.
Yeah. Like
Spot
so,
on.
we did good. Nice.
Why are these so blurry though? This one looks so blurry. I don't know. Oh.
I was waiting so long. I was like, is he ever gonna notice?
No,
Oh my
I wasn't
God.
even looking at you.
That was so funny. I thought you
And
could
then
see
you
it.
said
And you're like-
nothing. You said nothing, so I'm like, why is she not responding to me? What's up?
Yeah,
I look
and
over and you're like,
I was just like waiting. I don't think I've ever had to wait so long for a high
oh my
five, like
god.
ever. That was so funny. Okay, next photo. If I'm being totally honest, I like hated this photo when I
Really?
first saw it. It really came together with editing because again, I didn't have enough hair. And I don't know, I don't think I
Yeah.
have like I didn't make the same expression as her. And so, I don't know. I wasn't feeling it at first, but after like everything was edited and like we matched up the lighting a little more, I think it looks a lot better.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's that bad. Holding the hair was kind of hard. I was
Yeah,
not expecting
finding a
that. It kept
natural
like
way to
slipping
hold
out.
it, yeah.
Like it kept like slipping out of my grasp, and I don't know. It was a lot harder than I thought it'd be, just like staying there like holding it up. So, but yeah, I don't think it's that
I think
bad.
it's a great shot, honestly. The difference isn't that major, and it looks like the same pose, same
Thanks.
look.
Yeah. Thanks.
What was that?
I think I'm still like,
No, you're still, like, mad
I'm
about
still
it,
like,
yeah.
meh. I don't think I can like rock that shot as much as like she probably could.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's just my
I don't
opinion. Okay, next photo. Okay. What?
This one I didn't like as much.
You did it? Was it the face? Was it
yeah.
the expression?
I
I
didn't
don't-
know how to replicate his.
Yeah,
His
like he's
seems
making this face of like almost like dazed a little bit.
like dazed and confused. And
That's honestly, I like props to you because that's a hard expression to do.
Yeah, the head placement is off, but
Yeah.
again, love the tattoo.
Yeah, the tattoo looks so legit. I love it. Oh, his hand is turned like a little more like
his hand's
like you can see a
turned
little more of
different.
like his fingers like and you see
Like
more
I
like
needed
the
to
knuckles.
hold it from the neck.
Yeah, almost like that. Yeah, but
Just a little
honestly, you
more
guys had
study
different
time.
shirts. Like he had like a more of like a tank and it was like just wet, whereas like you had a shirt that you had to roll up to get it to
Yeah.
look like that.
Again, close. It has the same idea.
Yeah.
Just,
Dude, I like this photo like on its own.
yes.
Like, you know, like I think it's pretty good. But when you're like looking at them side by side, I think
They look
they-
similar, but not the same.
Yeah, but not the same. Exactly.
That's why I like the first one. The very first one.
Yeah, the
of
very
us
first
together.
one of us. Let's just look at that again. It's so good.
That one.
Wow.
I feel like that one's. Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
did nice.
Yeah. That one you didn't have to wait for.
Yeah, good.
I-
Yeah, this shoot was fun.
Yes, it
We'll have
was.
to do like another one again. Comment
We
down
should.
below what we should do next. We're thinking about doing Lily Reinhart and Cole Sprouse.
Yes.
Or who else did you say? Did you say NF?
Yeah.
NF and his
NF
girlfriend?
and no, his wife.
His wife. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, his wife.
Sorry, excuse me.
Yeah. Just let us know because I want to do this again.
Yeah,
Honestly,
it was so fun.
I want to do this again.
We
This-
can. Yeah, so
All right.
comment down below who you guys think we should do next, and give this video a like for me breaking my neck in that photo.
Yeah.
Thanks. I really appreciate it. Make sure to follow Riley on Instagram and Shannon on Instagram, the awesome photographer. So I'll have Riley and I's outfits linked down below, and I'll also link the magazine down below because their magazine is really cool. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye. For just
For
this.
just this, because
Alrighty.
it's so cool. Because we're so cool.